Tired of guessing measurements or dealing with bulky tape measures? Meet the Pocket Laser Measuring Tool, small in size, big on accuracy. This mini digital laser tape measure can measure up to 98 feet with plus or minus 2 mm precision, giving you instant, reliable results every time. Just point, click, and measure. It's that easy. The OLED display is bright and clear, even in low light, and with feet, meter, and inch conversion, you get the exact unit you need in seconds. Plus, it features real-time data sync, so your measurements stay accurate and consistent. No batteries needed, the USB-C. Rechargeable design keeps it powered and ready anytime. Perfect for home projects, renovations, DIY work, or just everyday use. Compact, smart, and insanely useful. This is one of those cool gadgets every man and home needs. Measure smarter, faster, better.